in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about setting up headphones and a microphone on your MacBook device. So the first thing you want to do is connect your devices directly to your MacBook. If you're using a wireless connection, make sure pairing is enabled and Bluetooth is turned on. And then you want to select the Apple icon up in the top menu bar and select System Settings. And now on the left panel, you want to go down and select Sound. And on the right side, you can go ahead underneath Output and Input and select the correct device from the audio list here. And you can also adjust where to play sound effects through. Output device is selected here. And if for some reason you're missing permissions, you don't see them listed down here, you can select Privacy and Security on the left panel, and then go to whatever application you're having the problem with, and then you would make sure you selected the on option. So for example, if we went down to microphone, you would select that and then turn it on for whatever app you are using the microphone for. And you can do the same thing with a headphone or headset. They should probably be all listed underneath microphone here. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.